Well, who wouldn't want a ticket to Bollywood? And NDTV's biggest talent reality show has two winners, Ankita and Arjun. I'm with Arjun right now. Arjun, ticket to Bollywood. I think you're in a very coveted position right now. Lots and lots of people out there must be very, very jealous.
A lot of people have supported me. बहुत लोगों का प्यार आया.
Did you always kind of cherish acting, had passion for acting? I know that you have been performing here at the Kingdom of Dreams. So, how did this start for you?
I remember when I was in second grade, and I remember that I was given an opportunity to sort of to perform. And it was the first time when I actually witnessed the euphoria of the feeling which is so euphoric that you have all these people watching you. When I came to Delhi, I was going to pursue my BBA degree from MIT, and I was doing that. But then I always had that. Starting from there, I got in touch with this Yatrik Theatre Group, which is apparently the oldest English theatre group in Delhi. My major breakthrough was with Mr. Avijit, and the play was called Pushkin's Last Poem, and we performed in Moscow. Then Kingdom of Dream happened because my co-actress, she told me, Charu Shankar, that you know what, something of this sort is happening. It's Broadway, and I think you should go. You must go. Since then, it's been almost 4 years that I've been associated with Kingdom of Dreams. Learning is my entertainment, and Ticket to Bollywood gave me a lot of that. With all these sessions, with all these celebrities like Rajpal Yadav, Kunal Kohli, Sandeep Soparkar, Ashley Lobo. I mean, you name it. Kauhar Khan. Everybody, the who's who from the fraternity, they're actually coming in and telling us stuff about different things, like Ashley Lobo telling us about what's a connection with your partner. Sandeep Soparkar talking about emotions, Lollipop talking about the masala of Bollywood, Kunal Kohli talking about romance. It was like a bag of everything. I mean,
well, you were the juries, the juries like selected you. You're the big winner there. So we obviously now we have the People's Choice winners. So who do you think, according to you, has a chance or should in all likelihood win?
I think it should be Kushal and Raviza. I really want Raviza to be there. I really want Kushal to be there because I'm voting for Kushal and Raviza. So after once the two winners are decided, and so they will join us in NDTV's first Bollywood production, and I'm going to be the lead.
He gets to be the hero.
He gets to be the hero in that, and Ankita will be the heroine. Will be the lead actress.
I'll get my autograph book next time in case I don't get this opportunity again. So I should have brought that along.
No, I think she's too pretty to get an autograph. I mean,
with who's been your idol, so to speak, in the acting world, our big Bollywood heroes?
Right. I think it's been Shah Rukh all the way.
We have him in the background.
Yes.
Also. My God,
yes,
talk about timing.
Timing.
That really needs
sign of God. Sign of God.
Yeah.
जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि ये sign of God है.
Oh my God.
So
Shah Rukh will watch this. Lovely, Arjun. I think it was fabulous talking to you. Best of luck for your future. Best of luck in all your endeavors. And guys, Arjun already has picked winners. And make sure that you tune in to NDTV's Ticket to Bollywood People's Choice every night on NDTV Prime, 9 p.m. onwards. And you get to pick the next two winners.